Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to guide you through the CBSE Reading Challenge Round 2 registration process. If your school has already conducted Round 1 for both English and Hindi, that's great. If not, make sure to complete it on an urgent basis as the Round 2 registration will close on September 17, 2024. Now let's dive into how to register students for Round 2 through the CBSE portal. First, open your browser and search for CBSE Reading Challenge 2024 login. Click on the first link that appears. You will see the login window for the CBSE Reading Challenge. Here, enter your login credentials. For the username, type in your school's affiliation number, and for the password, use your Oasis password. Make sure to enter the PIN correctly as well. Once done, click the login button. Now, you will be directed to the Reading Challenge dashboard. In this dashboard, you will find two important tabs, one for participant details and the other for student registration. Before we start with registration, here's a quick reminder. You need to select two students from each class, classes 6 to 10, one for English and one for Hindi. That means for each grade, you will have one student for each language. Alright, let's get started with filling the participant details section first. Here, you need to enter the number of students who participated in round 1 for each class, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th separately. Type the number of students in the corresponding box and click the update button. You will see a confirmation that the details have been updated successfully. Now, let's move on to the student registration tab, where we register the students for round 2. In this section, enter the full name, gender, class and paper type, English or Hindi, for each student. Double check the data before proceeding. For each class, register one student for English and one for Hindi. So, for 6th grade, you will have two students, one for each paper. After filling in the details, click the Add Candidate button. Once added, you will see the list of registered students appear below. And that's it. You have successfully registered students for round 2 of the CBSE Reading Challenge. That's all about the registration process. Remember, the last date is September 17, 2024. So complete the process as soon as possible. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Good luck with the challenge.